Why is it so different trekking with India Hikes?
It's the spirit of trekking. What the sport is and what it isn't is what I liked about trekking with India Hikes. I think India Hikes realizes how transformative the sport is. They don't just view it as an income source.
From the very start of India Hikes, we were trying to grow India Hikes based on a certain value systems that we very deeply believed in. These value systems guided everything about us. The way we looked at the organization, the way we looked at trekking, the way we looked at the future of trekking. In fact, we measured a success or a failure on how deeply were we able to ingrain these value systems on those who worked along with us, and then ultimately our trekkers who trekked along with us.
When we're talking about values, we are actually talking about how we see the future of trekking. We want to make trekking extremely sustainable for the future. Treks have to be absolutely safe. And we want to grow a culture of trekking where people are independent and they don't always need an organization like India Hikes to trek with. We've always believed that treks go way beyond just beautiful scenery or great adventures. Treks are extremely transformative, and when you trek with us, we want you to take this transformation back with you. All these things that I just spoke about actually come together to form that India Hikes experience for you.
Right from the time we started India Hikes, the biggest problem that trekkers were facing, or that common man was facing, was the lack of information. We started documenting treks, and we wanted people to start trekking with this information. So this is a legacy that we have kind of built over the past 12 years. Even on our trek leaders are constantly empowering trekkers with knowledge, with the exposure they need, with the skills they need to actually go out and trek on their own. Because we are not looking for people to trek with us. We are looking for people to trek because trekking has so much goodness in it. This is where the India Hikes experience comes in, where we enable trekkers to trek with the same confidence, the same safety, the same sustainability that they trek with when they're trekking with India Hikes, even when they're trekking on their own.
India Hikes experience, I think it is, you are helping the people, that's what I felt, more than running a business. You are helping, the India Hikes is helping the people.
फिर आपने रेगुलेटर कनेक्ट किया, फिर आगे क्या क्या आपने इसे खोला, फिर यहाँ पे आपने रीडिंग्स पढ़ी. वो रीडिंग किस चीज़ की है? अब आप बताइए रीडिंग कितनी है और रेगुलेटर.
Since 2008 when India Hikes started, we have been acutely aware of this one fact, that Indian trekking lacked a lot of safety standards in place. And we realized that if trekking has to grow and we want everyone to be able to trek, we needed to work on building the safety and increasing the safety across any trek in India. And that is the work that we have been at since 2008 when India Hikes started. Over the last 12 years, we've been consistently working on building in new processes, implementing these processes, fine-tuning these processes, so much so that now we can call ourselves the safest trekking organization in India.
When you trek with unknown, organizations, you don't know what kind of a, trek gear they're going to provide you. We have had instances where, you go out to higher altitudes, you are sleeping at 12,000 feet or 13,000 feet, the cold wind is breezing through the tent and, your sleeping bags are not at all comfortable. So you go there and you suffer. That doesn't happen with India Hikes. They truly have all the tested gear.
One main thing is trust, right? So like when it comes to safety, for example, it's not just that there are people to take care of you, there is also the equipment there and you can see it in front of you. So all this stuff here is for your safety. That's something that kind of makes me feel comfortable, right? So India Hikes does take care of you.
Along with making sure everybody treks, they also make sure everybody becomes responsible. And everybody respects mountains, everybody respects outdoors, ensuring that we don't do any harm to it, or rather do some small bit of good when you're coming back. Somewhere you know that, okay, you have also contributed to that effort. I think those are the things I feel India Hikes is very different, and that stands out to me.
One of the biggest reasons I decided to trek with India Hikes is that sustainability is very, very core to how they operate and how they, take trekking forward.
Right from the inception of India Hikes, the early days when we used to go trekking in the mountains and take people, we noticed that even though there were a few hundred people trekking on different treks, there was still litter. And we became aware that as trekking grows, this is invariably going to increase. We realized that for trekking to be sustainable, every aspect of trekking needs to be looked into. Right from how we prepare our trekkers, to how we source our equipment, to how our kitchens run, to how our logistics are, every part of it. And the trekkers who come with us, they are part of this entire experience. This impacts them very strongly. When they go back to the cities as well, we see a behavioral change. They write back to us. They talk about how the trek has transformed them just because they have been part of this whole Green Trails experience with India Hikes.
India Hikes is not about just conducting a trek. India Hikes is about how you do that trek and what you take back from that trek. And this take back is what the India Hikes experience is all about.
Everybody should trek so that they know about themselves at a deeper stage, at a deeper level. And also when they come out of the trek, you at least have changed or realized one aspect of you.
I think it just made me more resilient, more caring, more humble, more thankful for just everything that I have in life.
At India Hikes, we believe that everyone must trek because it transforms lives. The reason is, the fundamental reason we are here is we want to bring that transformation across to the trekkers. We want that any trekker who goes on the trek comes back from the trek with a very changed perspective about themselves, about the people who are around them, even with nature, right? And that is not an easy thing or a very, even though it happens very naturally, you need somebody to bring out those transformation or the learnings and make people go back with that strong impact that trekking provides. And that only a trek leader can do.
Working at India Hikes as a trek leader, I keep telling this to a lot of people that, we as trek leaders at India Hikes, we are magicians because we have the power to change people's lives, and we always have this invisible magic wand in our hands. We just have to go on treks. It's not just to take people up on treks and bring them back safely, but we have the power to change people's lives with this invisible magic wand.
Though everybody thinks it's the trek that is doing this, it is not. It's the design of the trek that is doing it, because we have spent almost more than a decade designing this so that what you take back from that trek is not just the trek, but at least it is 7 or 8 times more with all of these elements built into it. And that is the India Hikes experience.